We've launched a petition to demand the federal government enforce the Canada Health Act in Ontario, where Doug Ford's violating it with his private clinics. So please sign and share the petition online now at the link in our bio so we can get as many signatures as we can before the deadline. The Canada Health Act is like a Bill of Rights for patients. It protects us against privatization by banning user fees, extra billing, which is billing OHIP and charging patients on top, and two-tier Medicare, where the rich buy care and middle-income earners, seniors, and low-income earners get pushed back or have to go without. The power of the Canada Health Act is in its moral call to authority. It only works if we demand that it's enforced, and if provinces that violate the ban on user fees and extra billing are shamed in coming back into compliance. To that end, we've launched a petition to the federal government, calling on them to enforce the Canada Health Act in Ontario, where the Ford government is violating it with their private clinics. A large petition at the federal level might be 40,000 signatures, and we should have the capacity to get hundreds of thousands of signatures at least. If we can drive the numbers up to those kinds of levels, both the federal and provincial governments will have to take notice. We have 3 months to get as many signatures as possible on the paper and online versions, so here's what you can do. Of course, you can sign the petition at the link in our bio, but you can also like, comment, and share our social media posts about the petition. The more you comment and share, the further they'll go. You can also share the petitions as widely as possible with your friends, family, workplaces, community groups, labor unions, faith organizations, seniors groups on social media, and more. You can even print it out and bring it to door, in workplaces, at tables and markets and meetings, and more. All the links and instructions you need are in our bio. Please note that the online version is slightly different due to the rules of Parliament. We'll submit both versions separately with separate counts, so please sign the online and paper petitions and encourage others to do so. Please tell them they won't be double counted because we're submitting both versions with separate counts. So please sign the petition and share this as widely as possible so that we can get the federal government to enforce the Canada Health Act, where Ford is violating it with his private clinics.